Hey, welcome back to part 3 of our mobile sheep pen. Hopefully we'll get pretty close to getting through on this episode. We're going to start putting the wire on, and I'm just using a 4 foot and by 50 foot. It's a 2x4 welded wire. I can't remember if I said it in the other videos, but I really wanted to use a cattle panel, but I think they're like $35, so that would have been $100 to do this, and I had a coupon, so that was 40. But anyway, and I also got a new staple gun, 2.5 inch staples. It's a narrow crown. I got it at Harbor Freight. I really had never bought too much there, but I didn't want to pay $150 for one that I don't use that a whole lot. But this was $37 at Harbor Freight. So let's get started and see how it does. We're going to start right here at one of the door jambs and go around. And I'm going to try to get it all in one piece. Oh, missed it. I'm using 1.25 inch staples on this too. Seems to be doing pretty good. And I hope when I get this wire on this, it strengthens this up a little bit. I'm a little bit concerned about the side-to-side movement. You know, in the chicken tractor, I could put a board down low. Well, I can't do this if we're going to put sheep in it because, well, I reckon it'd probably trip them up and kill them if we was moving it. All right, we'll go on around the corner. I'm just going around kind of tacking the top where I want it. Then we'll try to stretch it at the bottom. I know this might be a little easier on the ground. I thought it might kind of save my knees a little bit, but okay, I think this is probably the easiest way to do it. It's probably a two-person job. You can get it a lot tighter like this, kind of unroll it instead of stretching it out and trying to do it like we did over there. And I'm kind of just tacking this as I go. I'm going to go back and hard nail it. Probably nail the far out of it or staple it. All right, let's turn the corner. Uh-oh. Mallet nails. All right, there you go. We got it all the way around 50 foot, and I got that much left over, which I'll use somewhere else. This thing needs a little notch on it where you can get on that wire. It's probably not really exactly made to do that, but boy, it drives them in there good. I like it. All right, let me go find my wheels, and I'll go ahead and get the back wheels on, and let's see how they work out. Okay, I'm gonna put the back tires on. This is a 10-inch solid. Don't need any air. Got it at Harbor Freight. I'm using a 1/2-inch lag with a washer on the front and the back, and I measured in 6 and up 2.5. This is a 10-inch wheel. There we go. You don't want it too snug or it won't turn. That right there is perfect. All right, let's go get the other side. Uh-oh, you see? That one I did too tight. That's too tight. Right there's perfect. All right, we're gonna take a break and we'll come back in tomorrow afternoon and finish this up. I'll be on the same video though. So we'll see you in the morning. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and at the end of it, there'll be a place where you can subscribe. All you gotta do is click it, and you'll get notifications of whenever we post a new video. We post videos 3 times a week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And of course, this Monday we're going to do a question and answer video. So you probably got till Saturday at 4 o'clock or so, and to send your emails in. I'll put my email down in the link. You can send an email, and we'll ask any kind of questions you want. I mean, well, just about any kind of questions. But I appreciate the ones already sent in. We've got several, a lot of really good questions. So we'll be doing that video Monday. And hopefully next Wednesday, we'll show you, we'll have the sheep in. I was wanting to put them on Saturday morning just so I can kind of keep an eye on them. So I'll film all that, and that'll be Wednesday's video. So, but anyway, I got the door here, and it's just a piece of pallet, come in the pallet, and I sprayed some whatever color of paint I had on it. We'll go ahead and put some hinges on it, and we'll get this thing mounted. It's just regular old 3-inch Walmart hinges. All right, let's see, get this thing mounted. All right, I got that. It actually works pretty good. Well, actually, I wanted to put the hinges on this side. I screwed that up. That's all right, don't matter. All right. So I've got these front tires. I made this little bracket, and these are swivel. And they do have air. I wanted a solid tire, but they didn't have it. Got these at Harbor Freight, and like I said, I'll go over all the costs and everything. But I'm gonna put them like this. I thought about putting them like this on the side, but it looks like to me like you'd have a lot of pressure when you're going down the pulling it, and I'm afraid to pull it off. This way, all your pressure goes straight against that. So let me get set up here, and I gotta change my bed out, and I'll be right back. I like it. It's gonna work pretty good. Let's do the other side. And these are 1/2 inch by 3 inch lag bolts. All right. I say we get it off the sawhorse and see how it rolls. All right, I'm gonna try to get this off the sawhorse, and I hope I can just tilt it back a little and kind of like launching a boat. Of course, now I'm in trouble. Let's see. All right. Let me get some help. I'll be right back. We got it off. Let's see how it rolls. Well, I like it so far. Hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna put a tarp over it. See what we gotta do. So I gotta put a latch on the door, of course, and rig up some water. But I'll show all that in the next episode when we put the sheep in it. But I hope you like this video, and give us a thumbs up. That thing's a little heavier than I thought it was. Oh, but I think it's gonna be all right. I gotta put a rope on it too to pull it with. But I think it's gonna turn out all right. Hope you liked the video, and remember to support your local farmers, and we'll see you down here on the farm in the next video.